Okay, walking up to the gate. So what needs to happen is these gates need to be taken off of the pillars that they're attached to. And I have wrought iron posts that are 6x6. And what I want to do is I want to put those posts directly behind this post and attach this gate to that post. I have new hardware that goes with that post to do that. Give you an idea of what's happening on this one. You can see that this is pulling away from the pillar here. And I'm not worried about the arms or the electronics. I can take care of that. I just want the gates remounted. And let me show you the post that I have. Okay, so those, let's see if you can see. These are the posts. So I have two of these 6x6 with caps and all of the equipment needed to put those in. I also have tons of concrete that were left over from these posts. And to give you a little bit about the post here so you know what you're dealing with from a ground perspective. Pretty much everything here is rock. So some of these posts took 5 minutes to dig. Some of them took an hour and a half, if not 2 hours to dig, just based on the hardness of the ground and the rocks that you'll run into. So I'm pretty sure that these post here, you know, it's pretty hard ground. Additionally, in addition to the hard ground, what you'll have to be aware of when you're doing it is that the electrical that runs from the house, it runs through here, and you'll have to avoid it when you're digging it. What I'm hoping is the post could be somewhere here, but you're gonna have to worry about the electrical and making sure that you miss the buried electrical.